This car already has exhaust on it. I don't know what it is. It's all stainless. They have pretty good sized mufflers on it though. It sounds really good, but it's a little quieter than I want it to be. For this just being mostly a track car, I want it to be a fire breathing monster. I want it to scare all my neighbors and have everybody call the cops on me when I start it and sound just asinine. So this exhaust is really nice. I don't know what it looks like a Billy Boat imitation, or maybe it is Billy Boat, I don't know. It looks nice, but like I said, big mufflers. I want no mufflers. These LSs like to breathe. I want it to scream and blow fire and all that good shit. So I'm gonna crawl underneath here, pull this guy off, show you what I got, show you what I'm gonna put on, and then we'll put it together. It shouldn't take me very long. The day's almost over, so I'm gonna hustle. This exhaust is tucked up in here pretty solid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a bitch.
God damn. Thank you.
Dead blood.
Whoa. God damn. Why is everything in the car so heavy? Oh, see, it's got really big mufflers under it. That's better not be one of them. Gotta drop the subframe down or some bullshit. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, there it is.
Thanksgiving miracle.
Oh, God. Trent,
Yo.
will you bring me the front pipe and the back pipe for the driver's side? I just wrestled a 400-pounder right there. It's a big-ass muffler, and there's two big-ass mufflers like that. This thing still sounded nasty. Hence, put in nasty-sounding clip right here. Maybe some Spenny videos.
The front pipes are the exact same band. I don't know how to tell the difference, but that's definitely
I'll grab me some anti-seize too. That seems right.
It looks like you're missing a bend too there, unless it's on the...
No, that's it. It's already 3-inch all the way back. It just the axle, over the axle shit got really small. She gets really small over her axle. Yeah, I'll take the whole 9, brother. Look at that big old dumper right there. I think I'd rather just have it like that, honestly. I don't really like seeing exhaust, but... we'll seize the anti. So I don't have such a goddamn hard time getting it apart down the road. This is some of that taking care of my future right here. These are definitely better looking than those. Look at this one. Yeah, that hurt. At least this chair just rolls around just super freely every time I try to push on something. That makes it really nice. The one time this chair rolls good. Really don't want to eat this thing in the face again today. Working on motorcycles is way better. If you guys are just tuning into the channel for the first time, guys and girls and friends and foe, this is a motorcycle channel called KRUESI Originals, where we build like high-end, high-performance Harley Davidsons, and me and Trenton have been stunt riding for a long time, and we are both professional Harley Davidson stunt riders who are just getting into drifting because it looks like it's fun. So we're building drift cars, the two of us. Trenton's E46, we've already done a bunch of videos on that. He's got a bunch of, we went all out with that thing. It's pretty much track ready already. And now we're building my C5, which we have a lot of big companies on board, like Holly and MSD and Earls and Deanon and Race Quip and Hooker Exhaust. So it's going to be awesome. This is all about our quest to learning how to drift and you know, building a drift car to do it along the way. We might really suck at the drifting, who knows, but kind of obligated now due to the sponsorships and whatnot. So I guess we're gonna get good at it really fast. This one's nice and tight. Fucking piece of shit. Little bleeding forehead Murphy here. Oh God, come on dude, just please go in. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Woo! Oh my God. Okay. The hooker stuff has such a better bend. Oh my God, it's such a better fit than whatever that trash shit was I just took off. I'm gonna go get a chair and assemble this little bracketry right here, and then I'll crawl back underneath there and scream and cuss some more. My joy level's on much better because the hooker stuff fits and routes like so you can just install it and remove it easily. Whatever that shit was that was on here that I took off, dude, that was just trash. Trash design, trash. I had to cut it off. There's no way. Unless you drop the whole subframe down. Done. Easy. Easy peasy. It was just that easy. It actually only took me about an hour and 15 minutes to do the exhaust off and on.
3 fits, 1 concussion.
Yeah, a little bit of a concussion. I'm fine. I'm gonna wipe these down, clean it up, get the jacks out from underneath it. We'll roll it out. We'll fire it up. See how she sounds. Man, well, she's on the ground. I'm gonna clean myself up and get all this shit out of the way, and then we'll open the door and we'll fire this thing up, and hopefully it sounds really, really nasty and it was worth all that. Because really that was a short, easy job. I work on motorcycles though, and they're really easy to work on, let's be honest. This is, it's a little heavier, it's a little harder on the face.
It's just gonna take off. Clear, clear.
The things we do so you guys can have a nice cold start. Oh my God. All right. Whew. Let's see what she sounds like. Okay, I didn't have the power wire hooked up for the 2-step because I didn't really read the directions that thoroughly. And she's ready to rip now. It was hitting 7,500 RPMs on the last blast. That was the stock limiter, which kind of sounded pretty good, but that was definitely ripping the motor pretty hard. So here we go, last shot. man.
Bunch of smoke, but not fire.
I probably just burned a little carbon off the top of the pistons right there. God damn, that thing sounds ridiculous. I hope this thing does it any sort of justice for how good it sounds, because Hooker exhaust, no mufflers, full 3-inch, headers, X-pipe, heads, cam, MSD 2-step. That thing slaps at 58. I should be able to slide it and beat it up really good and not really beat it up that good. That's kind of what I want. I want to be nice to the car while I'm being mean to the car. That being said, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Follow along. This is our journey. And check out the motorcycle shit. It's what we normally do. KRUESIOriginals.com. Peace.